Hello, this is English for You. Today's video will be about using the sentence, I wish I could. Our last video was, I hope I can. Now, I hope I can and I wish I could are similar, but not the same. I hope I can means you want something and there is a good chance you will get it. However, I wish I could still means you want something, but chances are very small that you'll get it. Probably you will not get it. Sad, but those are wishes. Everybody from everywhere in the world has different wishes. What you wish to be for your job or what life you wish to have. Now, today's video will be a little different. I want you to, when I give you a sentence as an example of I wish I could, I want you to pause the video and try saying it yourself. Now, let's try some examples. Remember, I wish I could means chances are it won't happen. Let's try. I wish I could win the lottery. Perfect. I wish I could be a millionaire. Good job. I wish I could graduate early. I wish I could be married before I'm 20. I wish I could have 1,000,000 pairs of shoes. I wish I could own my own company. I wish I could live in a hotter country. I wish it would snow. Now notice those last two didn't have I could. Not so good. Here we go. I wish I could move to a hotter country. Perfect. I wish it could snow in September. I wish I could travel the world. I wish I could retire before I'm 25. These are some great examples of I wish I could. Remember, I wish I could means you want something, but chances are it won't happen. It's just very small. It can happen, but highly unlikely. Not gonna happen for most of us. I hope you like this short video that we've made for you. If you have any questions or you want to make your own I wish I could sentences, put them in the comments below. I will do my very best to check them and help you as you make your sentences. We could not do this without you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, English for You. Your support helps us make more videos. I wish I could be the best teacher for you. I hope you have a wonderful day. From English for You.